Suppose we've got a system of equations, but this time, in addition to having an mx plus b, which is a line, we have one with an x squared. Well, we can have all sorts of types of equations and systems, and we could always graph them. Remember, an x squared is going to be a parabola, so we could always find whatever the solutions are by graphing. In fact, that parabola and that line cross twice, they have two solutions. But it's not always easy to graph, so let's use our substitution. Since it equals y, we can substitute that in for y. Now look at what you have left as an equation to solve. We have x's and we have x squareds. So when we have x and x squared, we have to use a quadratic formula. In order to use a quadratic formula, got to move everything off of one side and get it equal to 0. Remember that? If not, if there's any part of the quadratic formula you don't remember, go back and review that. Those two like terms made -3. I put it in standard form. Let's put it into the quadratic formula. The negative of b plus or minus the square root of the b number squared minus 4 times the a times the c over 2 times the a number. And if you try to solve that, which you should, you'll get x equals 3 and x equals -1. And every time we solve a system, we say, you're not done until you have the points. These are not points. These are just x numbers, which we have to put back in. If you put 3 in, the first equation, 2 times 3 minus 6, that makes 0. Now put the other point in as well. Put -1 times 2 minus 6, that gives you -8. So where are the solutions? What points do these two have in common? That's the solution. 2 points this time.